Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So on this device we can only enter 4 different codes, and so it will not be a long video. So first of all we have to enter the dialer, because this is the place where we can enter them. And let me begin with the shortest code and probably the most known, and the code is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we can check both email numbers for both SIM slots. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. And the code is *############################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################## pound asterisk pound asterisk. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events, because here they are grouped simply in particular sections. Let's get back and let me show you another code which will open the diagnostics. And this code is provided by Google, and it is asterisk pound 426 pound asterisk. And as I said, we are in the diagnostics, so here we had immediately opened advanced view, but let's begin with the basic view, let's say. So here we can check the server, host port, time connected, or signer level. We can also tap on events, and here we've got some further details. As you saw, we can tap on the three dots icon, tap on advanced view, and tap on the status to check some further details. So for example, we can check the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let me get back and let me show you the last code which will open the testing menu. And this code is asterisk pound 4636 pound asterisk. And as I said, we are in the testing mode, so here we've got the phone info, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi info. So let's begin with the phone info here. And as you can see, we can check the info just like the email number, phone number, current network, data service, or data network type. Of course, I know that I do not have this info, but it is because I do not have my SIM card inserted. So no worries, if you will have your inside your device, then you will be able to check the info. What's more, we can run ping test here. As you can see, we've got the results, and basically that's all for the phone info. We can go back, we can enter usage statistics also, and as you can see right here we've got the list of all kind of apps and processes which are currently on this device. So right now they are sorted by usage time. So for example, we can check that I've been using the settings for 20 minutes, and we can change the sorting type to the, for example, last time used or app name. So basically, of course, after picking, for example, the app name, everything will be listed alphabetically. So let me get back, and the last option, so the Wi-Fi info, here we can check the API configuration or the status. So let me pick the status, let's refresh the stats, and as you can see, we can check the network state, SSID, or network ID. We can also run ping test here. So actually this is it. This is how to use secret codes in your NUBIA Red Magic 5S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.